Hello everyone, let us learn word families with ad words. Ad, a, d, ad. Ad, a, d, ad. Let us practice ad words together. B, ad, bud. B, ad, bud. B-U-D, bud. K, ad, cud. K, ad, cud. C-U-D, cud. M, ad, mud. M, ad, mud. M-U-D, mud. S, ad, sud. S, ad, sud. S-U-D, sud. D, ad, dud. D, ad, dud. D-U-D, dud. Bud, cud, mud, sud.